Hello friends, I welcome you all the students in the session of class 7. In the last session, we learned about our first poem, It's a Small World. Today, we are going to learn our activity, Warm Up with Tara and Friends. See friends, from the class first, we are learning about Tara and her friends Bittu, Paddy, Cuckoo, how they are enjoying the study of English in their life and also in their schools, in their study. In this session, we all going to learn warm up with Tara and friends. After vacations, we come to a new standard. This year also, we are in standard 7. And after vacations, how are emotions of Tara and her friends? We have to see them. Tara met her friends and said, "Hi Bittu, hi Paddy, hi Cuckoo. I'm so excited about starting studies again." Then Bittu said, "Oh no, holidays are over." Paddy said, "More, play on the school ground." And Cuckoo said, "Hi Tara, I'm excited too. I will see my friends." And all the emotions are different. Tara is excited. Bittu is bored. He is getting scared. And Paddy is also excited to play on the school ground. And then Cuckoo is also very excited. See friends, how they are excited about studying English in the class 7. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that today, like these friends, we are going to learn a garden of words. That there are some words and some words in a chart, and we have to read these words. And also, students, we have to write them in our notebooks. So, let's go and read after me all these words. I will read the first row of this table. The, be, to, of, and. Again, I will repeat the row. The, be, to, of, and. Then the second row. A, in, that, have, I. Again, I will repeat this second row. A, in, that, have, I. Then the third row. It, for, not, on, with. Again, I will repeat the third row. It, for, not, on, with. Then the fourth row. He, as, you, do, at. Again, I will repeat the fourth row. He, as, you, do, at. The last row and the fifth row. This, but, his, by, from. I will repeat again it. This, but, his, by, from. So friends, we will learn and read all these words again. The, be, to, of, and, a, in, that, have, I, it, for, not, on, with. he, as, you, do, at. This, but, his, by, from. Dear students, come and we will read again our next chart. See, here Tara and Bittu is reading with the timing. We will read the first row and you also repeat it after me. They, we, her, she, or. Again I will repeat the first row. They, we, her, she, or. The second row. And, will, my, one, all. I will repeat this second row. And, will, my, one, all. The third row is would. This is not would. It is would, there, what. So. Again I will repeat this. Would, there, what. So. Then the fourth row. Up, out, if, about, who. Again we will repeat this row. Up, out, if, about, who. And the last row is which, me, when, can, no. Again we will repeat this row. Which, me, when, can, no. Again students, we will read this chart. They, we, her, she, or. And, will, my, one, all. Would, there, what, so. Up, out, if, about, who. Which, me, when, can, no. Again there is next chart. We will also read it. The first row is say, get, may, like, no. Again we will repeat this this row. Say, get, make, like, no. The second row is take, see, look, come, think. Again we will repeat this row. Take, see, look, come, think. The third row is use, work, want, give, go. Again we will repeat this. Use, work, want, give, go. The next row is time, people, year, good, well. Again we will repeat this. Time, people, year, good, well. And the last row of this chart is way, new, day, to, first. We will repeat this again. Way, new, day, to, first. Again we will read the whole chart. Say, get, make, like, no. Take, see, look, come, think. Use, work, want, give, go. Time, people, year, good, well. Way, new, day, to, first. Dear students, there is one more chart also. And we will read this chart again. The first row is just, him, into, your, some. Again we will repeat this row. Just, him, into, your, some. The second row is could, them, other, than, then. Again, we will read this row. Could, them, other, than, then. Then the third row is now, it's, over, also, after. Again we will repeat this row. Now, it's, over, also, after. The next row is how, our, back, even, because. We will read it again. How, our, back, even, because. And the last row is any, these, only, most, us. We will read it again. Any, these, only, most, us. Dear students, we will read this chart again. Just him into your sum. Could, them, other, than, then. Now, it's, over, also, after, how, our, back, even, because. Any, these, only, most, us. Like these students, we have read all the charts. So, students, like these students, we learn about all the charts. We read it. So, students, you have to also practice of reading it, and you have to write all these words in your notebook. So, students, in the next time and in the next session, we will learn about the use of be, use of do, use of have, adding s to verbs, and the use of a or an. These are the articles. And look friends, this page of our book. There is a parrot, and there is Tara, her friend, Cuckoo, then Bittu, and how they are using all these words. There is a use of be, use of do, use of have, and also they are using plural forms of some nouns, and they are also using the articles, and we will learn it about in the next session. Thank you, dear students.